Woke up slow, wrapped in Sunday light. Soft warmth drifting through the window blind. Golden dust floats gently in the air, and distant birds are singing somewhere. A quiet breeze moves across the yard. The world feels calm, like it's lightly scarred. Nothing to chase, nowhere I need to be. Just this simple morning holding me. And for a moment, life feels easy, life feels easy. It's a happy day, nothing planned, just sunlight resting on my hands. A peaceful breath I long forgotten. Today feels slow, today feels honest. No reason needed, I just know this quiet joy is enough to grow. Tea kettle hums a soft little tune.
나무
Coffee
여기다
warms the
뭐
early afternoon. Shadows dance across the wooden floor, like they've been here 1,000 times before. The countryside lies still outside, rolling hills in the gentle light. I smile alone, but never feel alone. This quiet morning feels like home. It's a happy day with nothing planned, just sunlight resting on my hands. A peaceful breath I long forgotten. Today feels slow, today feels honest. No reason needed, I just know this quiet joy is enough to grow. Maybe the world turns fast and wild.
이봐, 다 굳었잖아.
위에 거만 걷어내고 쓰면 돼. 괜찮아. 이 생각보다 되게 오래 가야 돼.
아, 그냥 살짝 밀고 해, 한쪽으로.
아니야.
Every morning the world keeps saying you're just ordinary somehow. But I can see the spark inside you that's quietly waiting to come out. One small thought from you can turn someone's whole day around. And that tiny smile you drop softens the edges of the world right now. You don't see it yet, but you're already one of a kind. 'Cause you're a genius, yeah you are. You see the things that others can't. Even the simple moments in your hands turn into little miracles. You're a genius, don't you?
마중물.
One tiny flower by my door, yet it stays